Hi friends, good morning. How are you? In the last class I have given you the exercises and you have to learn this very clearly and I have given already some of them in the notebook. Okay. Today we can learn about the new lesson gas laws and mole concept. In this lesson we are going to learn about the importance of gases and some of the gas laws and what is the connection between the gas laws and mole concept. Is it clear? Okay, can you tell me some of the importance of or some of the characteristics of gases? You have already learned in 8th standard. Can you tell me? Can anybody say? Okay. So gases have no definite volume, no definite shape, and the distance between the molecules are very far or very high. That means molecules are very loosely packed, and they can move freely, and their movement is called random motion. That is a rapid random motion. We can say that rapid random motion, and we can say that the attractive force between the molecules is very less because they are far away from each other by the molecules. Is it clear? And during their motion they collide each other and collide with the walls of the container. Is it clear or not? Collide each other and collide with the walls of the container and they exert a force. Is it clear? Then now we can see about the volume of the gas. What about the volume? We have already learned that they have no definite volume. Then what is the volume? The volume is the volume of a gas is the volume of the container which it occupies. That means 1 liter ammonia gas is transferred to the 5 liter bottle. Its volume is 5 liter. I will tell you once again, 1 liter volume of ammonia or hydrogen gas is transferred into a 7 liter bottle, then its volume is 7 liter. That means volume of the gas is the volume of the container which it occupies. Is it clear? So what is the volume of the gas? It has no definite volume, so that is the volume of the container which it occupies. Is it clear? Then now what is pressure? Can you tell me what is pressure? I told you already pressure. So you can say that molecules have the random motion, or we can say molecules move in random. What is the meaning of random motion? See this one. Molecules are moving in irregular position. That means there is no regularity for their movement. Molecules are in random motion means they cannot move in a particular direction. So they can move in random motion. During their motion, they collide each other and collide on the walls of the container. They exert a force. So what is pressure? The force exerted on the surface per unit area is called its pressure. Is it clear or not? When molecules are moving in a random motion, during their motion, they collide each other and collide with the walls of the container. And when they collide the walls of the container, they exert a force. So the force exerted on the surface per unit area is called its pressure. Is it clear? Clear or not? So that is the pressure. Then what is temperature? You know that the temperature is the, when we heat any gas, they increase the temperature. Or when the molecules collide each other, they exert, or there we can say the kinetic energy increases. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy possessed in a moving position. That is kinetic energy. So the molecules are in a moving position, they exert they have the kinetic energy. When we heat it, the kinetic energy of the molecules increases. So what is temperature? Temperature is the average kinetic energy of molecules in a substance. So when we heat a gas, the temperature increases and the kinetic energy of the molecules increases. What is kinetic energy? It is the energy possessed in a moving position or in motion. That is kinetic energy. So temperature is the average kinetic energy of molecules in a substance. Is it clear or not? Then what do you mean by volume of a gas, and what do you mean by pressure of a gas, and what do you mean by the temperature of a gas? And there is a connection between these three specialities or three portions. We can say some of the laws. Is it clear or not? Then by connecting these three that means volume, pressure and temperature, there exist some of the laws. So the laws can be seen in the next class. Okay, thank you.